Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a crossbody cell phone pouch. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive an email when I post new videos. To make this cell phone pouch, I'm going to work with one strand of bulky yarn, but you could use 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and crochet a chain that is as wide as your cell phone. And I'm working bottom up, so your foundation chain will be as wide as you need for the bottom of your cell phone case. And then you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So single crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. Like that. So now I'm going to work down the other side. So I'm just going to turn and I'm going to make another single crochet in the same stitch that I ended. And then single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And when I get to the end of the row, I'm going to make another stitch in the same stitch as that row. Okay, so that's the bottom of the bag. So now I'm going to start working around and around, and I'm going to work the crossed single crochet, which normally you would pick up the yarn this way, but I'm going to pick it up from the top like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet around and around. I'm not going to slip stitch to join and I'm not going to turn. I'm simply going to go ahead and single crochet around and around until the pouch is as tall as my cell phone. Okay, after you've worked as long as you need for the length of your cell phone case, I'm going to show you how to do the buttonhole. So to do the buttonhole, in this center stitch, I'm going to make a buttonhole. So I'm going to single crochet up to that center stitch. There's my center stitch. And I'm going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to slip stitch in the 5th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So slip stitch, and that will form the buttonhole. And then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then come right back down to that stitch and single crochet in that stitch. And then single crochet until I get to the end, and then I'll make the strap. So 1, 2, and 3. So that will fold over like this, and that'll be the buttonhole. So now we'll make the strap, and the strap should be for an adult about 30 inches long, so that would be about chain 60. For a child, that would be less. So I'm going to go ahead and chain 60. Okay, I've worked my chain for the strap, and then I'm just going to come over to the opposite side and slip stitch into that stitch, and then I can fasten on like that. Before I sew the button on, I'm going to pull some yarn through that stitch. Cut 2 strands of yarn, approximately 8 inches long. I'm going to fold it, and then pick up that fold and pull it through, and then pull these through like that. And then just thread some beads on and tie knots on the bottom. And I used a bead on the bottom that had a smaller hole so they wouldn't slip off too easily. And then I tied knots in the bottom, so that's where that will go. And then you can sew your button right there like that. So you just sew a button over the strands where you have your beads. So that's what that will look like. And then I made a tassel, and if you're not sure how to make a tassel, I'll have a video and I'll put the link below. And then I used the yarn ends to tie the tassel on the side of the cell phone pouch. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet a cell phone pouch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.